Query folding in Power BI. Query folding is a powerful feature in Power BI that helps you run transformations on a huge volume of data efficiently. In this video, we'll explore the concept of query folding, its types, advantages, and why it's an essential part of Power BI. So, what is query folding? We know that Power Query in Power BI allows users to extract and manipulate data from various sources. Now, query folding is the ability of Power Query to generate a single query statement for retrieving and transforming source data. In simple terms, when Power Query is connected to a database, some transformations can be pushed back to the source. These transformations occur at the source before any data is sent to Power Query. Since Power Query has to import and process less data, it significantly improves performance for Power BI. Users must note that not all sources support query folding. Some of the data sources compatible with query folding are relational sources like SQL Server and Oracle, OData feeds, SharePoint lists, Exchange, and Active Directory. Flat files like CSV, Excel, blobs. NoSQL databases such as MongoDB and Cassandra do not support query folding. Let's take a look at the advantages of query folding. Query folding is extremely useful as it makes the entire process efficient. The reduced amount of data processed in Power BI ensures better performance. It also helps optimize the use of resources such as CPU usage and memory. Query folding can improve data security in some cases as sensitive data is not transferred to Power BI. Now, what are the different types of query folding? There are three ways a query folding statement can go. First, full query folding. Here, all transformations are pushed to the source and processing occurs at the query engine afterward. Next is partial query folding. In this type, only a part of your transformations is pushed back to the source. It is used when you have steps that prevent query folding. And last, no query folding, when query folding is not supported. In this case, the Power Query engine receives raw data and the query engine processes it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We will be back with more interesting content.